In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Weebly. We'll go through the setup process inside your Weebly account so you can connect a domain you already own elsewhere to your website. This is a straightforward process, and if you follow along carefully, you should be able to complete it in just a few minutes. To begin, log into your Weebly account. Make sure you're signing into the account that contains the website you want to connect your domain to. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct site, especially if you manage more than one website in the same account. From there, click on Website. This will take you into the main area where you manage your site settings and content. If you're new to Weebly, this section is essentially the control center for your website, so it's where most important setup tasks begin. Next, click on Domains. This is the section where Weebly lets you manage domain-related settings, whether you want to register a new domain, connect an existing one, or adjust how your web address points to your site. Once you're in the domains area, click on Setup Domain. This opens the options for connecting a domain to your website. Since we're working with a domain that's already registered somewhere else, we're not purchasing a new one here. Instead, we're telling Weebly that the domain already exists and should now be linked to this site. After that, choose Use a domain I own elsewhere. This is the correct option when your domain was purchased through another domain registrar or hosting provider. It tells Weebly that you want to use that existing domain with your current Weebly site rather than buying a brand new one. Now type in your domain name exactly as you want it connected. Be careful with spelling and make sure you enter the full domain correctly. Even a small typo can cause issues during verification, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Once the domain name is entered, click Verify. This allows Weebly to check the domain and begin the connection process. If everything is entered properly, Weebly will confirm the domain and guide you to the next stage of linking it. As a final tip, remember that if your domain is registered with another provider, you may still need to update settings with that provider to complete the connection. The key part here is making sure the domain you enter in Weebly matches exactly what you already own. That's it. You've now started the process of transferring your domain setup to Weebly and connecting your existing domain to your site.